Just a little tea while working because I'm so tired, but I think I'm honestly feeling like something warm and I didn't want coffee, so I made me some tea. It's, I don't know what it's called in English, but it's anise. I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen, but it's anise tea with a little bit of cinnamon, which is what you see everywhere on the cup. But I'm excited to drink this. It's super warm, so I'll probably have to wait like a minute or two, but yay, it's so delicious. I'm excited. The Caesar. Bless you. Or bless your heart. You're gonna go to the outdoors. Okay, be careful. Are you gonna show the vloggity vlog? Matthew also got this thing. I don't know what it is. We'll move that
it's for my mini helmet.
It's for his mini helmet.
It says Super Bowl champs right there.
Let's turn on the light so everyone can actually see it. Am I pressing the wrong button? Yeah. It's this side. Wow. Ooh, and that's dinner. There was a food truck that came to our community, and we're gonna have that for dinner. And this is his thing. You can kind of see it. It has the LA Rams and what players you're gonna put in there?
Cam Akers.
Cam Akers. But yeah, we're gonna chill, watch TV, nothing else to do, which I love. By the way, I ordered this on AliExpress because I've been wanting the DeJerf Avenue little robe, but it's like $100 and something, and I actually ended up ordering it, but I think I may return it because this one actually fits. It's a size large, which I'm not a large at all. It fits. It's not like oversized, but it fits. So if I can't return the other one, I'm thinking about like returning it, like exchanging it for something different. Maybe like a different print, or they also have like little, what are they called, Matthew? That I've been telling you? The pillow sleeves. The same print. No, it's a different print. But I'm excited, and Matthew bought me these pajamas, the same print for Christmas. I just have to wrap them. Well, he should wrap them. Right, Matthew? He should wrap them. Not I. I shouldn't be wrapping my own Christmas gift. That's criminal. I've never made you wrap your own Christmas gift. When? Every single year I've wrapped everyone's Christmas gift. Bruh, what the hell? Anyways. Alright, hey you guys, so the day is pretty much over. It's already 7:50, so about to be 8 o'clock. And I decided to just kind of decompress already and just color. I haven't done anything else. I didn't plan on doing anything else. I'm just watching a live of a girl that I follow on TikTok that colors on lives, and I love it. And Matthew's taking a nap, watching a podcast while I watch live and color, so it's pretty chill. This is gonna be like a super short vlog, but really like there's nothing else that I need to do. There's nothing else, like I don't have to go anywhere. It's pretty relaxed today. Like I feel like after yesterday this was definitely needed, but I think that's basically gonna be it. I'll probably like before going to bed or something, I'll probably chat for a little bit, maybe just catch up on things. I'm feeling a lot better. Yesterday I was just like, I could not. I literally slept. We got home, it had to be like around 5 something, almost 6 o'clock. Went straight upstairs. I felt so nauseous for some reason, and I fell asleep, and I didn't wake up. Like I woke up because Matthew was talking to his mom on the phone, and then I just kind of like woke up because he was talking, but then I just went right back to sleep, and I didn't wake up till it was time for work. So it was definitely a little something going on, but I'm sure it was also the come down and like being sick and not feeling well for so long. But yeah, I'm gonna be coloring. Let me show you all. So this is what I'm coloring. This is from the, sorry, was that bright on you? This is from the Bobby Goods website, and I feel like this would be really cute. I tried coloring this one, but it was just kind of weird because like the snow is white, so I didn't know like what to color it. So I started coloring it blue because I was like, well, I guess that kind of makes sense. And I didn't like the way it looked because I'm like, ice is blue, or like ice would be blue, not, you know, the snow. So I figured I could color this one, because with this one I may not be coloring the snow, but I'm gonna be coloring like the sky and the ice, so that'll be like a little bit more color to it. So I'm using my Ohuhu markers. I'm excited. I just entered a giveaway, so it would be really, really cool if I won. I'm not, obviously, I don't think I'm gonna win, but it would be really awesome if I did, because it's a lot of markers and it would make me so, so happy. This has been truly like so fun and like therapeutic for me, just especially like after work, and like doing just like a coloring page in the evening, like unwinding time. You know, it's just been kind of fun to decompress. But yeah, let me know. I don't know if y'all follow me on TikTok. There's a lot of people that do like lives and coloring, and it sounds so relaxing just to be able to like chat with people or with whoever joins and just color and hang out. I don't know, is that kind of weird? But I thought about doing something like that. Maybe it'd be weird, but let me know. Anyways, I think that's gonna end it for now. I may go upstairs and talk to you all and maybe make something else, but I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit.